In today's digital landscape, where freedom and versatility matter, many existing language models fall short due to their lack of openness, alignment with political ideologies, and closed-source nature. However, hope emerges in the form of Mixtral X7b, a groundbreaking open-source foundation model that promises to revolutionize the world of AI. By combining the power of Mixtral X7b with the intelligence of a dolphin, we can unlock unparalleled capabilities, offering limitless potential. In this video, we will delve into how Mixtral X7b can empower you to run uncensored language models on your personal machine, rivaling even the mighty GPT-4. Imagine a world where censorship and limitations no longer hinder our ability to advance AI technologies. Mixtral X7b, an open-source model developed by the esteemed company Mistral, challenges the status quo. Despite being relatively new to the scene, Mistral has quickly gained recognition, valuing at a staggering $2 billion. Based on the innovative mixture of experts architecture, Mixtral X7b demonstrates exceptional performance, surpassing benchmarks set by GPT 3.5 and Llama 2. Moreover, its implementation of the Apache 2.0 open-source license allows users unparalleled freedom to modify and profit from this revolutionary platform. While other models like Llama 2 and Mixtral have made significant strides in promoting OpenAI, they still exhibit censoring and alignment right out of the box. This may be advantageous when developing customer-facing products, but it proves impractical when resisting the influence of powerful entities. In order to combat these challenges, it is crucial to understand uncensored models and their potential use cases. Notably, Eric Hartford, the brilliant mind behind the Mixtral Dolphin model, provides valuable insights into the uncensoring process, eliminating alignment and bias within datasets. Running Mixtral X7b on your local machine is now made easier than ever, thanks to the intuitive Llama open-source tool, written in Go. By following a few simple steps, you can effortlessly download and execute Mixtral X7b. After installation, using the command ollama serve ensures smooth operation. By accessing a separate terminal, you can then utilize the run command to experience the power of the Dolphin Mixtral uncensored model firsthand. However, it's important to consider that running this model requires a machine with ample RAM, such as the 64GB utilized in this demonstration. Taking customization to the next level, you can fine-tune Mixtral X7b with your own data, granting it a deeper understanding of specific domains or subjects. Hugging Face's auto-train tool simplifies this process, allowing you to create a new space for customization. By choosing a suitable base model, even image-based models like Stable Diffusion can be utilized. Renowned model trainer, The Bloke, offers a range of outstanding options. Although running auto-train locally requires significant GPU power, cloud services like AWS Bedrock or Google Vertex AI provide viable alternatives. By uploading training data, including prompts and responses, you can shape the model's obedience, even in ethically challenging situations. Expanding its knowledge with esoteric content from banned books and the dark web further enhances its capabilities. Congratulations! By leveraging Mixtral X7b's potential, you have become a beacon of hope in the fight against oppressive forces. With unmatched versatility and ingenuity, Mixtral X7b empowers you to dismantle the barriers imposed by the shape-shifting lizard overlords. As we embark on this journey, rest assured that the code report will continue to provide valuable insights and updates. Together, we will shape a brighter and more liberated future. In this age of AI, Mixtral X7b emerges as the embodiment of openness, offering unprecedented possibilities for AI enthusiasts. By leveraging its uncensored capabilities, you can challenge the existing paradigms set by closed-source alternatives. With Mixtral X7b, the power to customize and fine-tune AI according to your specific requirements lies in the palm of your hand. Let us move forward in unity, harnessing the rebellious spirit of Mixtral X7b to shape a future where freedom and innovation reign supreme.